Hello, everyone. I'm glad to share with you all that we as CGV, CIA Global Venture LLP, have completed 6 years on 13th Feb. It has been a tremendous journey, magical path for us, and the last year was a magical turnaround. When COVID was really taking the toll on the companies globally, corporations were dying, the houses were collapsing, the MSME sector, particularly in India, was in distress. We, as a micro MSME, have not only survived the onslaught, but thanks to the client who trust us, got the business back and back on track. It has been magical. There is no other word to explain this last year. The last year gave us confidence that if you have done a good work in to support your credentials, client will come back to you. Not only that, the big business houses which we never dreamt of, they came to us for some realistic, grounded solutions, and we were surprised to see that our proposition was liked by them. It speaks the volume of the team, what we have, the experts, the management board. It's really great to have such a team around. And our team has a special category of women. 60% plus of the team is women oriented. Some of them who have left the jobs about 10 to 15 years back and then came back to active business recently with us, and today they are driving us for betterment. This is a tremendous scenario to see. And what CGV brings in? CGV basically brings in an environment for everyone to, open up, do something good, creative, and bring in the best solutions to the industry. Our three pillars are around real, valuable, sustainable solutions. Real means nothing theoretical. It's going to be based on the actual reading of scenario and something which is working on the ground only suggested to you. And we handhold you to go along together. That's our strength. Valuable, we create value for you, for your investments, and see that you get best. Even if you are losing, we ensure that your losses are minimized and if possible turned around. Sustainable, yes, we believe in ESG principle, environment, social and governance model. I myself is a governance expert, but at the same time I also believe that businesses needs financial sustainability too. So when bringing something which is extremely financially sustainable solution too, which makes us trustworthy, and we give you something which is cost optimized. As I said, it is based on realistic study, reading of situation. Our clientele have been the banks who have trusted us and they have diversified us to become really sector agnostic. We started with infrastructure. Today we are in chemical, textile, beverages, various industrial propositions. Anyway, we are there in metro, railways, and airports and ports, energy sector. You name anything, we are there. 300 odd studies of businesses, companies, and projects worth $20 billion plus in terms of value. It's a huge body of work. We have worked with various companies. We have worked with various investors who have their assets in their kitty. They trusted us and continue trusting us further. What we will bring together in this year to follow is a new model of business where we associate with you more as a partner solution, not only taskmaster. We'll become a partner solution. We will handhold you with solutions and we'll turn around your business to something new. We will try and bring in the investors whom we are partnering with in North America and pension funds too to have a long-term strategic investment partnership in India. Not like earlier when only people take investments and forget the investor. But no, that doesn't give us value. We work with the growth of organization of investee with investor and we being the bridge to make you along. Industry will partner you more for creating your bandwidth of management, making your teams, trusting your teams, creating ability within the teams. Competition is not going to give you too much. You have to get value out of competition because costs are not in your control. but you can control your destiny. What is also going to change for these organizations to understand is that quality is the important aspect of, post corona, people have realized value of product, life, and quality together. So you have to believe in delivery on time and in quality. We trust you, and we will trust this upon you that you learn these practices. Let's work together. And we as CGV, we are very happy to associate with you. We thank our clientele, we thank our team too, and look forward to a bright future ahead. Thanks a lot. Bye.